Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. All of you on your videos and sit properly. Take out the textbook and notebook and pencil. On your videos. Okay. In last class, we discussed about average. Okay. How to find out average. Yes, children. Average. What is the average meaning? What is the average principle? Yes. Sum of the numbers by number of numbers. Okay. In today's class, I am going to explain sum of the quantities. In given problem, average giving. In giving problem, average giving, we have to find out sum of the quantities, sum of the numbers. Okay, how to find out? I will explain now. Just listen carefully, children. Sit properly. Karthik, on your video. Okay. I am explaining example problem, children. Okay. I am taking one example. I am explaining about that problem. 6th unit, average. Average. Okay, first two. Hanif scored 89, 93, 89, 93, 75, 90, 56, 92, 56, 92, and 65. And 65. In 7 subjects. In 7 subjects. In 7 subjects. Find his average marks. His average marks. Okay, first, Hanif scored marks 89, 93, 75, 90, 56, 92, and 65 in 7 subjects. Find his average marks. First, we have to find out here average. Okay. Afterwards, sum of the quantities, how can we find out? Then I will explain. First, we have to find out average. Average. Average of marks. Average of marks equals. Average of marks equals sum of all the marks. Okay. Sum of all the marks by number of subjects. Okay. Sum of all the marks. Sum of all the marks by number of subjects. Number of subjects. Sum of all the marks by number of subjects. How can we find out? Answer. First we have to find out total. Total. Add first of all. These numbers add first of all. Marks. Sum of all the marks. Total of marks. First of all, add these numbers. 89 plus 93 plus 75 plus 90 plus 56 plus 92 plus 65 by 7. First, add and see. Add these numbers first. 89, 93, 75, 90, 56, 92, 65. Add these numbers. these 7 numbers. Make it fast. Add and say answer. Say anyone. Try first. Try. You know already addition. How to add. Just add fast. 520 is wrong. Once again count, good boy. Pritam. Once again count. 520. Not 520. 80, 90, 170, 170, 70, 240, 240, 90, 330, 330, no, Akshaya, 330 plus 50, 360, 360 plus 90, 360 plus 90, 450, 450 plus 60. Once again count. Those who are saying 559, once again count. No, 559 not. Once again count. Once again count. 80, 90, 170, 170, 70, 240, 240, 90, 330, 330 plus 50, 330 plus 50, 380, 380, 70, 470, 470 plus 60. Okay, if you have any confusion, you count this like also. First, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 21 plus 9, 21 plus 9, 30. 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 29, 29 plus 6, sorry, 7, 29 plus 7. What I am asking, listen and say first. 29 plus 7, 36. Yes, wait, 36. 36 plus 9, 45. 45 plus 45 plus 11. 8 plus 3, 11. 56. 560. 560 by 7. 560. We get 560. Not 700, 559, not 560 by 7. Okay. Now do the simplification. Do add. Sorry, do division. 560 by 7. 7 8s are 56. So 80. Okay. Here average of marks. Here average of marks equal 80. Okay, average of marks equals 80. Now from this problem only I am explaining now sum of all the marks. Sum of all the marks. How can we give a question? First you see. The average of marks of 7 students or 7 subjects. 7 students. The average of marks of 7 students in a class is 80. In a class is 80. Find their total marks. Find their total marks. Find their total marks. See children, here you observe this problem and this problem. Once you observe two problems, you observe once. Here scored marks given. Hanif scored marks given in 7 subjects. Here we have to find out average. We already find out average is 80. But here given the average of marks of 7 students in a class is 80. Average of marks. Average of marks here given. 80 given. Find their total marks. We have to find out here total marks. How can we find out what is the principle of total marks? Means sum of the quantities, sum of all the marks, sum of all the items, sum of all the observations. Okay, sum of all the weights according to the problem. We have to take that principle. Okay. Sum of all the marks. Sum of all the marks equal. What is the principle? Sum of all the marks. Sum of all the marks equal. See here, average of marks equal to sum of all the marks by number of subjects. Okay. Here, sum of all the marks equals average of marks into number of subjects. But here, students given. In this question, students given. So we have to write average of marks into number of students. Average of marks into number of students. Average into number of students. We can write that one also. Average into number of students. Number of students. Here, what is average? See here. First of all, here, what is 80? 80 is average. The average of marks of 7 students. 80 is average. So, average. Next, number of students. Number of students. Given question, given problem, how many students are there? 7 students. Okay, number of students, 7. Average is 80 into 7. Yes, 80 into 7. Yes, very good. 560. 560. The sum of all the marks. Sum of all the marks. Sum of all the marks equals 560. See children, here in this problem we have to find out average. Okay, we have to find out average. Total scored marks given. Each subject scored marks given. And what is the average? Here we have to find out what is the average of marks. Average equals, okay, don't message Amma. Wait, first listen. Average of marks. Average. What is the average principle? First of all, sum of all the items by number of items. Sum of all the numbers by number of numbers. Okay. Sum of all the observations by number of observations. Sum of all the quantities by number of quantities. According to the question, we have to write that principle. Average is nothing but sum of all the by number of numbers, subjects, observations, anything. We have here, according to the problem, we have to write that one. Okay. Next, here given average. In this problem given average. Given average. What is the average of marks of 7 students? 7 students marks average given here. We have to find out total marks. How can we find out total marks? Just average given. Next, number of subjects or students given. So we find out only sum of all the marks. Sum of all the marks, a sum of all the quantities, a sum of all the observations. According to the problem, we have to write sum of all the quantities equal to average into number of quantities or number of students, number of subjects, number of weights. sorry, number of boys. We have to find out like that. Okay. What is the principle of sum of all the quantities? Sum of all the quantities. Here marks, quantities I am giving. Quantities equals average into number of quantities or number of students. Multiply. Average and given number multiply. We get answer 570. Here sum of all the numbers we get 560 or not. See here. We get here 560 only. Same here also. Sum of all the marks we get here 560 only. Okay. Did you understand, Amma? Okay, this one understand. Okay, next. Preetam. First, how to find out average? How to find out sum of the quantities? Sum of all the quantities. Okay. Here two principles are there here. Two principles. First one is how to find out average. Next, second problem principle is sum of all the quantities. How to find out sum of all the quantities. First one is how to find out average. Exercise 6.1 problems are find out the average. Next, exercise 6.2 problems are how to find out sum of all the quantities. Okay. Find out the average. In given problem, average given, we have to find out sum of all the quantities. Okay. Did you understand? All of you. Write down. Okay, I will write some principles from about average only. Write down first. Average equal sum of all the quantities or observations. Here is quantities. All the quantities by number of quantities. Number of quantities. Okay. First principle is average equals sum of all the quantities by number of quantities given. When we find out the average, we have to do add all the quantities, add all the items, add all the numbers given in question. Okay. Next, by number of numbers or number of items, number of boys, number of students, number of subjects given according to the problem, we have to write that one. Okay, next, sum of all the quantities. Second one, sum of all the quantities equals average into number of quantities. Okay, very important principles, children. Note down and learn, and you have to practice also on this. Some problems in your textbook exercise 6.1, 6.2 and revision exercise. These problems only have you practice also. Explaining completed after once you practice. Average into number of quantities. Number of quantities. Okay, next number of quantities. Then we find out the number of quantities. In question, number of quantities asking. Then how can we find out number of quantities? Number of quantities. Number of quantities equal total sum. Total or sum. We have to use any word also. Okay, sum of all the quantities by average. Okay, sum of all the quantities by average. Sum of all the quantities by sum of all the quantities by average. Okay. See children, average equal, what is the average principle? Sum of all the quantities by number of. Exercise 6.1, 8th problem. Okay, I will say. Once first you listen. But I am only said how many problems I said, children? First problem I only said. Third problem, fourth problem, next fifth problem, sixth problem. Now seventh problem also I explained. Okay, honey scored marks are given. That problem is from your textbook exercise 6.1 only. Seventh problem also I only explained. Just second one and eighth one and ninth one only you have homework. But from that one also you are asking eighth one. Why you are confusing? Their decimal numbers have. That is only you are confusing. Okay, try it children. First you try it. If you don't know, if you not get answer, if you have any doubt, in tomorrow class I will explain. Okay, first you try it. Who asked that one? Okay. First try it children. Once you try it, in tomorrow class I will explain. Okay, nothing will happen. First, what is the average principle? Sum of all the quantities. Quantities means here according the problem you have to write. Okay, according the problem. In problem, weights given, write weights. Marks given, write marks. Subjects given, write subjects. Height given, write height. Okay. Next, scored runs in cricket match. Runs given, you have to write runs also. Sum of all the runs. Okay, observations. Sum of all the quantities by number of quantities. Number of quantities. Next, sum of all the quantities. Sum of all the quantities equal to average into number of quantities. Okay, average into number of quantities. Next, number of quantities equal to number of quantities. When we find out number of quantities, what we do? Sum of all the quantities by average. Okay, before problem we have to find out average is 80. Before problem, average is 80. Average 80. Next, sum of the quantities. Sum of all the quantities. Sum of all the quantities is 560. Just we have to find out number of quantities, means number of subjects. Okay, number of subjects. Number of boys. What we do? Number of quantities means 560 by 80. Yes, 560 by 80. 560 by 80. Then we get answer. What is the answer? 560 by 80. Say anyone. 560 by 80. 0, 0 cancel. 8 ones are 8 sevens are. Yes? 7. Number of quantities is 7. Before problem, that one only had. 7 only had. Yes? Correct or not? Before problem. Hanif scored marks in 7 subjects. 80 is average. Next, sum of all the quantities. Sum of all the marks equal 560. Next, number of quantities means number of boys or number of subjects. We have to get answer 7. Did you understand, children? First, from one problem, I explained 3 principles. Okay, how to find out average, how to find out sum of all the quantities, and how to find out number of quantities. Okay. Problem, how like given means find out the average or find out the quantities, sum of all the quantities, I find out the number of quantities given, find out also. We have to find out these principles. Use these principles, I find out the answer. Okay? Did you understand, Amma? Pritam Reddy, Srishant Ananda. And next Jashwant and Pooja. On your videos, children, I am taking attendance. On your videos, everyone. 31. What happened, children? Before 31 students are there, now 29 students. Be regular, children. Don't accent. Srishant, on your video. Satvik Reddy, Rashekar Reddy, Charan, and Shashi, Travel Sanjay, Vignesh. On your videos. Aditya. Okay. Vignesh, on your video, boy. Sanjay. Time in that, okay, children, write these principles and first you learn these principles. And tomorrow class, I will explain exercise 6.2 sums. Okay, next, exercise 6.1, last 2 problems, try to your own first. Okay, try to your own. Then if you have any doubt in tomorrow class, I will explain. Next, those problems I will explain. Next, exercise 6.2, sum of all the quantities, how to find out. In tomorrow class, I will explain, children. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.